G'day guys, this is part of the old Nelson Railway. Never actually got to Nelson, but here it is, and you can see it came to here, I think. Nelson Railway opened in Mokopino in 1899 to Tardmore in 1906. Operation to Glenhope. So I'm on our way. I'll be showing you bits and pieces of the old railway area. These are obviously some sleepers and stuff from the railway, and also I'll show you some bridges, and I think there's some tunnels on the way. So this is obviously the old station. We got some old track stuff here. We've got an old shed over here. Oh wow, cool. Here you go. About the outbreak of war. Country needs you. Just out the back there. So basically I think about people that went to war and stuff like that. Cool old little hall, quite skinny and long. We go into this building here. It's got a whole lot of photos, and oh, here it is being shifted here on the truck. So obviously it must not be the original spot. And then you've got all this, all the trains that used to come in here. One of the guards in the train. Don Lucas, the engineer driver, and the fireman look out from the cab of the locomotive. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What's that? The old Stanley Brook School. All the kids in the little shed. And then we obviously got the making of all the railway and one of the tunnels. Fucking shovel and spade guys. No diggers in those days. And we've got a nice old canvas. Beautiful old room this. Quite a cool old room with the old modern lights there. Cool old door there. Oh well, we're on our way guys, so we head there. We're at Tapawera now. Got a 4 square and Ko-Fi kitchen, got a gas station, ambulance and fire stations just down there. Beautiful little spot. Catch you soon. So this is the old railway camp here, on the corner here, on our way to Nelson Lakes. And we also have railway people, a little story about all the people that used to travel on the railway. That's really cool there. Got all this stuff here, the old camp and that. So this is where we turn here. And we go over that bridge and we head out to Nelson Lakes. Here we got steam trains here between the rail and the steam. This is where they used to make it, the tunnels, all that kind of stuff. Really cool. Alright, here we go. We've got a camping spot here as well. Campers pay your fees. Oh look, got the old 1080 sticker. Awesome. That's where your envelopes are. I might take one anyway. And then here we've got the old rail bridge here. Got a little dog running around here. Oh, it's a road bridge. Oh, it's the old road bridge, sorry, not the old rail bridge. Still sitting up there. Look at the old girl shit. It's probably made of old Rimu, I'd say, or something like that. Big span there. Huge. Huge bridge. And then it used to carry on over there to the other side, and then that was it. Got the old gold bearing river, I'd say, here. Shit. Here we go, guys. The sound of tranquility and peacefulness. Just what I'm chasing. And love, just like that sign. Probably a fair bit of trout in here too. A few deer up there. Up in the bush. All behind that is Kaharangi National Park up there.